This love that reaches to my heart feels so good, don't wanna break apart. Hold me close, don't let me fall away. I thank you for each and every day. This love that reaches to my heart feels so good, don't wanna break apart. Hold me close, don't let me fall away. I thank you for each and every day.
Morning time, rub your eyes and look around. Soak in all the beautiful sounds as you crack a window and hear all the forces of nature and the blending of a whole new atmosphere. One question, reflection, the number of mornings that you show appreciation, 'cause you're alive here to see another day. Did you thank God for waking you up today? To live life, to live to the fullest, to show love and love without limits. Live to love and love to live are the simple keys to this life we've been given. One life remains, go own it. One love reigns, grow in it. And once you come to know the mercy of God, you sing. Once you come to know the love of God, you sing. This love that reaches to my heart feels so good, don't wanna break apart. Hold me close, don't let me fall away. I thank you for each and every day. This love that reaches to my heart feels so good, don't wanna break apart. Hold me close, don't let me fall away. I thank you for each and every day.
Where do I start, Lord? How should I say this? There's nothing better than the one that I came with. You're my shining sun and you're the pouring rain. Oh God, you took all the pain that was for me and should have been for me, but you sent your son so graciously. And I'll thank you each and every day for the blessings you poured out my way. I lay here full of sin, full of wrongs. Took your blessings to write you this song. You set me faith, set me hope, set me love, and they're the three greatest things from above. I'm giving you my life and everything I have, and break my heart, Lord, to do what you will. I know it's gonna be hard, but I'll listen, 'cause it's love that I know is worth keeping.
I've been searching hard all day and all night, looking for something that makes my soul feel right. In this sinful world the hate won't stop, so I gotta spread your love, Lord, be my solid rock. I admit, God, I take you for granted. Your love unchanging, I just can't understand it. The fact that you gave your son to die, and how I still sin, it must kill you inside. Father, help me to see what you saw, all the pain and anguish when your son was nailed to the cross. I wanna know you, the lover of my soul. Check it. Hello, Mr. Handsome and Miss Real Beautiful. I'm feeling good, hope the feelings are mutual. If not, well, I got the remedy to cure. Don't get it twisted, my intentions are pure. I just want to address an ongoing issue. We all struggle with it, maybe with tears and tissues. Misusing adjectives, the name of the game. Calling some people beautiful and other people plain. Can I just say that we are going insane? Putting things on pedestals which are truly a name. Got the new kicks and clothes, but we still complain. Are we really afraid of being some kind of lame? Well, I'm a messenger with something to say to you. Yes, you are beautiful in every way. Don't let the world tell you anything else. Put a big smile on, 'cause it's good for your health and say, even when the sun goes down, I will shine and spread my love around. And even when the moon goes out, I will shine and give my love to you. Now I'm not trying to say that your troubles go away. I'm just trying to tell you that you're looking nice today. Even with your sweatpants on, your big bright smile makes my worries go gone. I think we all forget how far our words go. Mean things to say can make a nice day ice cold. We all know the small things in life, the smiles, the compliments that help us get by. So please take this song as a gentle reminder that life is much brighter if you're generally kinder. So once you've done said it, you can't hit rewind. And just remember, words are the gates to the mind and the soul. Love is what fills the holes in the gaps of the hearts that will break the old road. If you're resonating with me, that love matters the most. From me to you, then I do propose this toast.